Mana? Mana? Aduh! Yeah!
I will make a supermarket vocabulary video. Examples of 10 food products and 10 non-food products. 10 food products. 1. Bread. 2. Jelly. 3. Egg. 4. Cheese. 5. Snack. 6. Instant noodles. 7. Yogurt. 8. Milk. 9. Sugar. 10. Chalk is non-food product. 1. Shampoo. 2. Toothpaste. 3. Laundry detergent. 4. Soap. 5. Diapers baby. 6. Lotion. 7. Battery. 8. Toothbrush. 9. Tissue. 10. Parfum.